This is Mark Hyder, and it's time for another
Sparkle. What's your name?
Hi there, Twilight. My name's Mark Hyder. How are you doing? Let the hair flow. Cut. Yeah, babe. Yay. You rock. Woo-hoo. It's time for another vlog. Oh, yes. Have some coffee, please.
Got pepper in it.
No, thank you. Hello, I'm back. Oh, yes, the time is now 02:41 on the 4th of February 2017. Oh, yes. Right, I've got a bit of an announcement. On the 1st of February of 2017, I made a difficult choice, and I have decided that I've cashed out my savings from my company early. Yes, that's right. I cashed out my savings I earned from my company early. Let's put that into perspective. Well, I cashed out £260. Plus, I've cashed out £520. Plus, I cashed out £360. Overall, the total savings coming back to me is £1,140. That's about $1,423. What am I going to do with this spondoodle sort of dosh or money? Well, I'm buying a brand new PC. I've had this old PC down here, and though not a original case, but it is technically a 4-year-old machine. It is getting on. It's getting old. It's getting like a Granny Smith. It is getting old. And I've replaced the motherboard a couple of years back after my other one died. After I forgot to put a I/O shield. Ugh, bad memories. But I think that hopefully I learnt my lesson. But I upgraded the CPU a couple of years back as well. I only just recently upgraded the memory. Then I made a hard choice. Really, I need a new rig. Yes.
What do you want me to, I have to say what's in it on Monday?
Just say it's computer memory brackets RAM.
Okay.
Okay. You don't need to specify it's 16 gigs. Right. I also just recently managed to sell the RAM, the old RAM of 16 gigs, for £50, which is not bad. I remember when I sold my CPU, i5 CPU, and that went for 90 quid, and I thought that I was pretty surprised with that amount. Really, I was really surprised with that amount. I will be getting the money to my bank account soon, at a later date, hopefully soon. And I'm going to tell you what I have planned, what I'm going to order. I'm going to order a Skylight Core i7 600K 4 GHz Acer 7170p motherboard and 3200 MHz DDR4 Corsair. You know the rest, it's a RAM bundle for £644.99p. Fucking hell. I need a break. I've also planned to order a liquid freezer. It's a GPU. It's a CPU water cooler. It's one of those. It's got 2 fans on it, and it's £71.50. I've also going to order is a GIT GeForce gaming case with 15? I didn't read that. LED blue front fan black. £37.52. I'm going to buy a new TV. It's an LG TV BH16NS55. And that's not a TV, that's a bloody Blu-ray player. I've also got to order a Blu-ray player, and it's the LG BH16NS55. There's an internal SATA Blu-ray rewriter, and it's with software, which is good, for £62.99. I've also ordered a new TV. I think it's Finlux 49-inch Ultra HD Freeview Play LCD Smart TV for £299.99, which is not bad, really. That's not bad running. I think that is it. Order those products as soon as the money goes in, and I will see you in my next segment. Oh, yes. Hello, I'm back. Oh, yes. The time is now 09:21 on the 5th of February 2017. Oh, yes. Okay, just to let you know that my PC case will be out for delivery between 10:22 AM and 11:22 AM. Oh, yes. It's coming from a courier site called DPD. That's one of the best couriers out there in the UK. They always find us. Always. Compared to Yodel, oh my gosh. No such address. What? No such address? It is an address, Yodel. Get your systems updated. Postman can find us. DPD can find us. But Yodel can't? What? Anywho? Yes, that's correct. Ish. Yeah, his last update was at 8:36 in the morning. That was about an hour ago, actually. And it should be delivered very soon. Yes. Once I get my other bits of money, like in the previous segment, I will be ordering it. I'll be ordering some of the products. Also, I've changed the order slightly. I'm still getting the same Blu-ray player, but I've actually upgraded to the next model, which is around the same price, which is a bonus. I've also ordered, I am getting an Arctic cooler, 360 all-in-one CPU cooler with ultimate performance, but I've upgraded to the 3 fans because I was able to buy the case early because I won the money on the memory cards. RAMs I actually... The RAM. No, the RAM, the 16 gigs of RAM. I was able to... Money I got from that went towards getting a case. So I was able to add an extra couple of things like the cooler, which is good. A 3 cooler fan for the CPU. Yes. Other than that, not much new information. I can't wait to get the 49-inch TV. I want to see how it will look on my desk. At the moment, I've got a 42-inch TV. A 42-inch TV. This is the 42-inch. This is what a 42-inch TV looks like. Okay, that's my 42-inch TV. As you can tell, it's actually quite a large one. How will the 49-inch TV look on my... This is what the TV will look like. I won't use a free view. More information about this TV, let's have a check. Freeview plays allowing up to cash up TV including BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, and All 4 and Demand 5, Ultra HD 2160p, considering that can play up to 4K. Providing image resolution 2840 by 2160. That's the same. Exactly, that's used Fluttershy, the sweet bell. Ultra high definition allows you stunning clear. Okay. Latest HDMI 2.0 to allow for 4K at 60 kHz. That's good. Built-in Wi-Fi provides easy access to your smart TV content. No wires required. Connect to your network. Sit back and enjoy. Smarter TV viewing. Oh, it comes with a variety of apps pre-installed. You can use Netflix 4K. Netflix 4K. Okay, wow. YouTube 4K. Okay. Facebook, BBC, iPlayer and many other apps gives you whole new TV experience. Connections, 2 HDMI, 2 USB, 1 SCART, and selection of AV ports. The question is, who uses a SCART socket anymore? Has it still got a purpose? Or do people like using the old tape players, VHS, in their systems? Huh? Really? Apparently, Bluetooth headphones is the most bought item when you're buying this TV. A Wi-Fi projector? Any trouble with the Wi-Fi projector? It's cool looking. It is cool looking. But you do need a big room. You do need a big room for to use a projector. Not bad for £60.80. That's not bad actually. That's not bad, but you need a big room to have a projector. Might add it. Just add it to wish list. You never know. Someone might just buy it from me. I do have a Amazon wish list, just to let you know. I do have an Amazon wish list. Just need to log in again. Yeah, and hopefully I'll get this gaming case pretty soon. Just to let you know, it is the CIT GeForce gaming case with 50 LED blue front fan. I think that's 15 inches. There's 2 fans at the front compared to this one down here, which has only got 1. Just one didn't have any LEDs in it though. Other than that, there's no new updates at the moment. There's no new updates. I can't wait to get my Intel Core i7. I think there's motherboard though. I think the maximum we'll hold will be 32 gigabytes. I'm going to research it anyway in case I am completely wrong. It is a DDR4 memory overclocked to 3466 megahertz, which is what the fastest. I got the RAM as well for that. Now that's part of the kit. That's the highest. No, that's wrong. The RAM is actually 32, if I remember correctly. Yes, 32. We do need to check the RAM information. It's got Landguard, EMI cover. I don't know what that does. Over voltage protection. Wow. Okay. Something goes. Fine. Okay. If there's something around the power supply, it's got an over voltage protection. That is good, especially when inferior power supplies or voltage is unstable. That's good. Now I'm getting a bit of high tech there. DRAM over current protection. Still back IO panel board. Chromium. Okay. I don't know what sort of sound card it is though. ESD guards. I'm just reading the connections. Landguard USB connectors, VGA connectors, keyboard, mouse. Okay, I'm just checking the memory now. 32 gigs. That's the bandwidth though. So USB Type C for connection token. Okay, it does have the new USB-C. Okay, not everything's USB-C yet at the moment. Okay, here comes the audio. Easy memory removal. Okay. Cooling. Right thing is how to search 32 in the search. It does have 4 ports for the SATA. 6 gigs. 4 of them. Which is good. Or maybe just 1, I'm not sure. One down here only had 1. I'm just checking now. What I need to do is actually search. It doesn't really tell me on here. the max RAM you can add.
Oh, come on!
Thank you, I know. I'm now searching the actual graphics card on Amazon, and I'm just checking it now. That is the graphics card, as you can see. There's quite a lot of stuff on there, actually. That's where the i7 chip would go. Memory would go here. That will be your surge protection. Just a graphics card would be there. I think. I'm not sure what that is. It looks like it's the E-flash. Yeah. Later down the line, I will get a new modular power supply and a graphics card later down the line, because power supply won't cost too much. I can get one for about 120 quid ish, but the graphics card, you're talking about nearly 300 quid, and I'm not going to do that yet. I can't do that yet, no. I'll rather wait until I get that money. But there's nothing wrong with the graphics card at the moment. It's something down the line. It's something.
Oh, come on!
I'm telling the truth, sweet belle. Okay, let's check this RAM now. It is an LGA 1151 processor socket as well. Oh my giddy aunt! Maximum memory supported. 64 gig.
Oh, come on!
Wow. I'm going to check. I know this could be overkill. I'm going to see how much is if they got a kit with 64 gig. At the moment, I'm paying. The kit is cost £644.99. If they got a 64 version, I might be blowing my budget if they did that. But there's no harm in trying, isn't there? 64. I might be just.
Oh, come on!
Okay, let's have a check. On Amazon, Conair is £579.99. Yeah, you can get other models like the Ballistic Sport LT 64 gig as a kit. Then it will be going up to 16, but that's only 24. The speed is 24. Yeah, because you pay. Okay, that's why it's expensive on the other one, because it's 32 megahertz, where compared to the other one, £280, £288.94 to be exact. It's only 24 MTS. But yeah, RAM can be pretty expensive, and finding a 32 gig RAM with 32 megahertz in the kit, including i7 and the graphics card, £644.99. That's not bad, because it's all included. Okay, let's check how much of 32 gigs. If you're just buying the kit, on its own. If you're just buying the kit, buying the RAM on its own, according to Amazon, it says it's £198.84. That's even cheaper for when I paid the other one. I paid the same amount for, but this time it's 2 times 16. Compared to my other one at the moment, a maximum is up to 32, and it has to go by a figure of 8 to make 32. This is 16 by 16. It may be the same case. It might be the same case as well for. I don't know what I'm going to say. Like, in theory, when I get the kit, I'm not too sure. Okay, I know it's the delivering Yes, yeah. Yes, it's a figure of 8. Because according to the picture, there's 4 sticks. 888 made 32. But 32 gigs is not bad at all, really. You can later down the line you could get 64 gig DDR4. But it's not essential at the moment. I can live happily with 32. Be much faster. I'm not going to use their default CPU cooling. I'm going to get liquid cooling. Let's see, and we'll see how fast it is. One thing I've got to bear in mind when I buy this kit, before you boot up into Windows, you've got everything installed and all that. Go into the BIOS, make sure your timings are correct for the speed you want for the memory card. If the RAM can support 32, you've got to make sure that is set in the BIOS, or it will load at probably, I'm not sure, it might load, let's say 22, not 32. The maximum speed the actual RAM can go is 32, but sometimes you have to go into the BIOS and change the timing settings. The i7 is a 6700K, just to let you know. Processor speed is 4 GHz, which is perfect. It's got 5 out of 5 stars. And also, okay, it was first released to the market on Amazon on the 13th of February. Okay, it's a year old, it's not too old. And as I found out, it's the same motherboard as Anthony's.
Oh, come on!
My gosh! Sweet Belle, why are you on time all the time? I don't control this! This is Facebook going off and she comes in the right place. Well, I think it's time. Oh, just before I go, he does have an XSM 2.0 support for double free automatic clocking. Overclocking. Like, you can buy the kit, let's say you wanted 4 gigs. If you're not into hardcore gaming, 4 gigs is fine. If you just get into the gaming, 16 gigs will be perfect for you. Me, I do video editing as well. I do video editing, mostly video editing now. And 32 is, you need that extra boost when you come to rendering videos. You definitely need that kit. Not the kit, you definitely need that extra boost. No questions asked, really. And I got some spare silicon gel? No. I got some spare coolant that I got a couple of weeks ago. I used it on the cooler. I didn't even use the cooler that came with the other fan. I used the coolant.
Oh, come on!
Nothing wrong with that, Sweetie Belle. I used the coolant that I actually bought because it's just the Arctic Silver 5. This one here. And apparently that's one of the best ones, really, best coolant. I just want to get this build on the way, but at the moment you're waiting for the money to go in. Then you have to wait for it to arrive. Then you can start the build. But at the moment, I have to wait for the actual money and the case. The case has come today, as you know. Well, I don't know. Hopefully the money goes in, and not like when I got my shares. When I sold my shares last time, I had to wait until next payday. Yeah, because according to the letter, it is. Or according online, it says 3 to 5 days, and hopefully the money will be in tomorrow. Then I can order it straight away. Yeah. Well, and I will see you in my next segment. Oh, yes.
Come on!
Sorry, Sweet Belle, I've got to go. Can you make me a coffee, please? I don't have a cocoa per milk. Oh, thank you very much, Coco, for the coffee. Thank you very much. Ah, it smells like... Ah, perfect. Thank you, Coco. Thank you very much.